When we first started talking about the project, I remember saying it keeps me up at night. And what that is the styling. Our couch is actually filthy from the kiddies. So I'm thinking, I've seen a beautiful Globe West couch. I think basically, guys, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like...
It's going to pretty much...
It's going to look like our shop. We're at Globe West with the lovely Julia.
Lovely to see you ladies again.
And you too. From when we started norsu as a little online store, Globe West has always been our go-to for furniture and homewares. So we're going to pick some pieces for the house. Oh, hello. That would work so well. Imagine it with the Tranquil Retreat lining boards.
Perfect.
Because we actually have in the house a built-in bench seat. So I'm imagining that this could look really cute, sort of pressed in against that.
I love that idea.
That would look amazing.
Love this colour.
Beautiful.
They're super comfortable as well.
It's like a duck egg blue.
We do offer quite a lot in velvet, but it's always easy to care for and for family living. This one's our Margot sofa chair. Even with the texture, you sort of sit in it and it cuddles you and it feels really soft. You get two options with the feet. So you get the black and you also get the brass that come with it. So
Now we're talking.
So we've put brass, like all our tapware, our sinks, everything in the
one's for
house
you.
are brass.
So this little baby, he's part of our Sloan family.
Oh, he's gorgeous.
Now that's all like honed matte white marble.
The splash pack in the kitchen is a marble chevron. So I think tying those pieces together as well. I'm actually loving the whole... Were you the same?
The same thing.
This is the Victoria Mia. The feet are slightly different, so it's more of a tapered look. Still solid ash legs. We also offer it in cement. Gives you sort of a lot of depth with styling. So you can do your darker blues and greys, or you can bring out your pops of colour through it as well.
Yeah, that's stunning.
Multicoloured so that you don't have to worry about dirt showing up as easily.
Practicality got me.
Yeah, absolutely. I think you found your sofa.
That's huge.
Lovely. But that'll fit your family.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
And with the legs stepped in a little bit, kind of allows you to sort of pop people on the corner if you have two little kids.
Yes.
Does this not just scream norsu?
I know.
Perfect size.
At least you don't have to worry about plumping the cushions because it is all stitched in throughout the back and it's got that long thin seat cushion.
Well, we've actually got a little study/toy room.
Yeah.
So that could be something really nice. Like imagine our three
Perfect.
sitting on there with
They
their
would
puzzles.
love it. I can
and
picture it already. I love what you've done with the bed head here.
And I didn't want to do anything boring. So I actually went the double because I love that with a single bed and a bedside table.
I love the choice of a round dining table.
So we've built in the bench seat and then we can fit lots of chairs around it.
It just brings the two spaces together so well.
I think continuing the panelling across the wall. I must admit, I could see how this house would look 6 months ago, probably before we bought it.
Using the VJ panelling throughout the house creates this consistency between two spaces.
You're passionate about colour. We both love greys, but I think I've mentioned it before, there are so many different tones of grey. We can go warm, we can go cool, green, blue. And when you look on the colour wheel, we've selected colours that sort of sit within the same family. And that is a tip I would recommend to anyone because that's how you get the flow.
The living room in particular is one of my favourite rooms in the house. Hasn't this room come up well?
I know, thank goodness, because I was not prepared to live in it the way it was.
It's so inviting now, and it's surprisingly quite similar to your old back room in the other house.
I just miss the ceilings.
Yeah, but you actually don't notice too much. The way that you've styled it and just the small details, getting rid of that corner cabinet, obviously our favourite wall with the Perspex window.
It's gone.
Could you get any more cabinets under here? Seriously?
No, honestly, we haven't even filled them yet.
Wow.
I've gone from no storage
Yeah.
to so much. And this matches the kids' rooms.
Yes.
So Caesar stone again.
It's beautiful.
Oops.
And just running it across the entire length of the room. Gives you that ability to put your TV up and then all of your little
Yeah,
knickknacks.
knickknacks.
We
All
know
the
you love a
Norsus.
few knickknacks,
Oh, thanks
Maddie.
very much.
Great size sofa.
It's perfect for the space. Got this from Globe West. In fact, most of the things we got from Globe West. So I think, you know, staying true to our style was really important for this space. I can visualise the end product. I probably go to bed every night thinking about the positioning of the furniture and the artwork. It goes back to that sad side to my personality.